How to make nylon hair ties. You're going to need nylon tights. Use toddler tights to make hair ties for toddlers and children, and use children's tights in sizes small or medium to make hair ties for teens and adults. I will be using the tights you see in this picture. They are from Walmart. They are a size medium, and for an adult, they will go around the hair about 3 to 4 times. You're also going to want to make sure that the tights you choose are between 85 to 91% nylon material. The ones I'm using are made of 85% nylon. The first thing you're going to want to do to make them is to cut off the feet part. This can be used at the end to make smaller hair ties. Then you're going to cut at 2 inches on each leg all the way down. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to cut one to show you. Once you have them all cut, you're just going to take each one, do a few pulls, turn it inside out, and just like that, you have your hair tie. Do it all the way down each leg, just cutting at 2 inches. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to keep seeing videos like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.